Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing Thanksgiving cheesecake.
Thanksgiving cheesecake? I mean, what are you even talking about?
Tonight we're going to be doing a Thanksgiving pumpkin cheesecake. Here's all the stuff. Let's add it. Take the pumpkins, stab holes in them, put them on a cookie sheet, throw them in the oven, 325, 2 hours. 1 cup almond flour, 1 cup pastry flour, and then add your butter, and then you're going to be knifing it in. And then of course make a snowball, put it on your parchment paper, roll it out, spread it out, work the edges, and then take your pan, turn it upside down, take the excess off, fork it, and good to go. And now that the pumpkins have sufficiently cooled down enough for you to handle them, you're going to be peeling the skins off, which is pretty easy at this point. And then you're going to be taking them off thoroughly, of course. Cut the half off, take the seeds out, and put the flesh in a bowl. And of course, for your almond crust, you're going to be putting Amaretto di Serrano on the bottom. Just pour a little in a bowl, paint it on, good to go. And then of course first you have to pre-whip your cream cheese to get it all smooth. And then you're going to add your vanilla and then some maple syrup. And then you're going to be putting your sugar in. And then of course the lemon zest. And then sour cream. And then you're going to throw your pumpkin flesh in there. Zip it up, get it really smooth. Add your eggs. And then you're going to be putting it into your spring pan and into the oven at 325 for 90 minutes. Yeah. The next morning. And now for your cranberry jam, you got a 1/2 inch of water in your pan. You throw in the cranberries, cook them down, mash them up, and then you're going to put your sugar in there and stir it around thoroughly. Turn down the heat, let it simmer and melt, and get her ready to can. There we go. Put them in the jar. Put the tops on. Make your whipped cream, and then you're ready to serve. And then slice off a nice piece for yourself. Very nice. Add your cranberry jam, whipped cream, and voila. Just a little flyby here so you can see the density of this beautiful pumpkin cheesecake, along with the cranberry compote. Thanksgiving cheesecake. Have it any way you like. It's Thanksgiving. Okay, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.